going to teach you how to make an airplane sound effect. You're going to need one of these Nerf buzzsaws. You don't need the balls, so yeah. So all you have to do is put the microphone into the tube. Make sure you still got a grip. Hear that crank back. To your landing. And that's how you do that.